November 4th, 2020, practice. All right, so the last slide, we just talked about ratios and how we can write them in three different ways. On this slide for our practice, we're going to write them in three different ways, and we're going to write something called a ratio comparison statement. So, the first one over here says, write the ratio of fries to hamburgers. All right, so word form, remember that word form means to, the T-O. So, fries to hamburgers. So fries is first, and then we have hamburgers. So fries to hamburgers. How many fries are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 fries. 4 fries to, in word form, to, how many hamburgers? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hamburgers. So our ratio in word form is 4 to 5. That's it. Now with the colon, same thing. 4 colon 5. Because how many fries are there? Fries first. There's 4 fries. And then we have that colon, which means 2. And then how many hamburgers? Well, we know there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hamburgers. Now the fraction form. 4. You can put a slash, that's fine. For a fraction, because I know it's kind of difficult to make it a fraction. You can make it a fraction if you would like to, but you can also just put that slash there. So 4/5 or 4 to 5. Now, the next thing we're going to look at is that we can also write a ratio comparison statement. So ratio comparison statement is going to be written like this. For every blank, there are blank. So in this case, for every blank, what was first? Fries. So for every 4 fries, so 4 fries, for every 4 fries, there are, I'm going to underline that. So for every 4 fries, there are how many hamburgers? How many hamburgers? 5 hamburgers. 5 hamburgers. So for every 4 fries, there are 5 hamburgers. So that is our ratio comparison statement. So that's it. So we have our word form, colon, fraction, and then our ratio comparison statement. For every blank, there are blank. So for every 4 fries, well, this 4 for every, the first one. And there are, so then the next one, 2, 5, well, 5 what? 5 hamburgers. There we go. Let's practice that again. So this says write a ratio for ice cream cones to total sweets in 3 different ways. Then write a ratio comparison statement for the ratios given. All right, so first thing we need to see, okay, what are we comparing here? Well, ice cream cones. We're comparing ice cream cones to total sweets. Total sweets. So ice cream cones to the total amount of sweets. I'll make that. There we go. To the total amount of sweets. So, how many ice cream cones are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ice cream cones. 2, how many total sweets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 total. So the colon. 5 with that colon, 7. 5 to 7. How about the fraction? 5 with that fraction bar, 7. You can put a space if you want to. You don't have to. Now, the ratio comparison statement. Every time it's going to be for every blank, there are blank. For every, well, in this case, what was first? Ice cream cones. So for every, how many ice cream cones were there? 5. So for every 5 ice cream cones, there are, well, what was the next thing? 7. 7 what? Total sweets. There are 7 total sweets. That's it. So for every 5 ice cream cones, there are 7 total sweets. That's it. That's all you have to do for your practice today. Great job.